Hey children, good evening. I hope you are all doing great and having a wonderful time with your family and friends and enjoying your school days each and every day. And I know you are all expecting to hear today's Friday story time. I welcome you all for this story time. Today the topic is serving God by loving others. Serving God by loving others, do you know when? That's the question. Do you know when? The text for today is coming from Matthew chapter 24 verses 36 to 44. Matthew 24 verses 36 to 44. Either you can read it from your kids' Bible or you can ask your parents' help. They can read it for you. How do you know when someone is at your door? They knock or ring the doorbell, right? How do you know when someone calls you on the phone? The phone rings. Jesus said that he would come back someday. Does anyone know when he said he was coming back? No. No one knows when Jesus is coming back. And even Jesus said that he did not know, that only God knew. But he asked us to be ready for him when he returned. How do you get ready when you know a guest is coming to visit you? Maybe you clean your house, or perhaps you take a shower and put on clean clothes. Maybe you make a special meal for the guests who are coming. How can we prepare for Jesus coming back? Do we clean our houses or change our clothes? Well, maybe. But Jesus gave us a hint of some other things we may wish to spend our time doing. Jesus said that he hopes to find us acting like wise and faithful servants. What kinds of things do you think a faithful servant of God would do? Well, who was the greatest servant of God? Jesus. So we can look at the things Jesus did to see what kind of things we can do as servants of God. Jesus taught people about God and God's love. You can do that with your family, friends, and people you meet. Jesus loved everyone. You can do that by being a good friend to anyone you meet. And the best place to start is doing at your school and with your neighbors. Jesus helped people who were sick. Maybe you know some people who are sick or who just don't get out of their houses much. You can pray for them. You can send a card or a note of wishing them and say, I'm praying for you. Most of all, Jesus loved God. He obeyed God by doing what God asked him to do. We can do that by reading in the Bible what God wants us to do. Jesus also spoke with God all of the time. How did he do that? By praying. The Bible tells us many times about how Jesus went to a quiet place by himself to talk to God. How did you know you can do the very same thing? More than anything, God wants your love, and one of the greatest ways you can show it is by talking to him. Jesus told us to be ready for his return, to keep watch. Is there a better way to do so than by constantly keeping in touch with God? Dear children, today memory verse is coming from Matthew 24:42. Matthew 24:42. Therefore keep watch, because you do not know on what day your Lord will come. Therefore keep watch, because you do not know on what day your Lord will come. Okay, children. You all take care. Be happy. See you next Friday. Till then, smile for Jesus.